Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 5 squares and square roots exercise 5.3 question number 7 8. Seventh question is the students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Totally the amount donated by grade 8 is 2401. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. So find the number of students in the class. So what they are saying, for example, if there are 3 students in a class, so 3 students in a class, each student is donating what? 3 rupees. So this is the student account, this is the amount contributed by each student. So I have 3 students, each student is contributing amount to 3. So 3 into 3 is what? 9. So in this way, we have to find out the answer. Here the total amount has been given. It is not 9, it is what? 2401. So I need to find out what is the total number of student. Anyway, total amount contributed by each student and total number of student is equal, right? So I can take what? X into X because I don't know what is X. So in this way I am going to proceed this problem. So the number of students in class, let the number of students in class equal to X. Amount donated by each student, each student is equal to X, right? So total amount is what? Total amount given is 2401. So the number of student into amount donated by each student, right? It is equal to total amount. Total amount. What is the number of student? It is X. So amount donated by each student, it is also X. What is total amount? 2401. So here I have X square. X square is equal to 2401. So how I can find out X? By taking the square root. So in order to find out the square root, let me find out the prime factorization of 2401. Odd number, I cannot proceed with the number 2. So I have to check with the number 3. So when I check with the number 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is not divided by 3. So I cannot proceed with the number 3. I have to check with the number 5. Since unit digit is 1, I cannot proceed with the number 5. So let me check with the number 7. So 7 3s are 21. Balance is 3. So it becomes 30. 7 4s are 28. Balance is 2. It will become 21. 7 3s are 21. So again it is odd number which is not divided by 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is not divided by 3. So I cannot proceed with the number 3. Unit digit is 3. So I cannot proceed with the number 5. So let me again check with the number 7. So 7 4s are 28. Balance is 6. 63. 9. 7s are 63. So again 49 is not divided by 2, 3, 5. So let me proceed with the number 7. 7 7s are 49. Again 7 is a prime number which I have to divide by 7 only. So 7 1s are 7. So 2401, I can write it as 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. What are all the numbers we have obtained here? So take the numbers as a pair. So what I have to do? I have to find out X from this number, right? So X means in order to find out X, I have to find out square root of 2401. That is what I am trying to do. So 2400 is nothing but 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So square root of 2401 is nothing but from here I can take 7, from here I can take 7. So 7 7s are 49, which is nothing but your X. So in the question what they asked, find the number of students in the class. So the number of students in the class is nothing but 49. So the number of students in the class equal to 49. Okay. So let me proceed with the 8th problem, which is similar to the 7th problem. The question is 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as set of number of rows. For example, what they are saying, if suppose I have 3 rows, okay, each row is having as many plants as set of rows. Okay, how many rows are there? 3 rows. In each row I have to plant 3 plant. Why? Because number of plant is equal to number of rows. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3. Okay, again here 1, 2, 3. Here again 1, 2, 3. Like that they have to plant. Okay, so totally how many plants? It is 9. Okay, in simple, how we are getting this? Each row means it is 3. Okay, in one row how many plants? It is 3. So 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. Okay, using this concept we are going to find out again what is the number of rows, what is the number of plants. Okay, so the number of rows, okay, let me consider, is equal to x. Okay, similarly the number of plants, both are equal, right? So the number of plants in each row, it is equal to x. Okay, so the total plants in the problem they have given. So total plants, it is equal to 2025. So I can write that the number of rows into number of plants in each row, okay, it is equal to total plants, right, as that of the previous concept. So what is number of rows? It is x. What is number of plants in each row? It is x, which is equal to total plant. Total plant is nothing but 2025. So I can say that this is x square equal to 2025. I need to find out x. So I need to find out the square root of 2025. Okay, so square root of 2025 I need to find out. So let me write 2025 by using the prime factorization method. Okay, so what are all the prime factors? So that easily I can find out the square root. So here it is odd number which is not divided by 2. Okay, let me proceed with the number 3. So 6 3s are 18, balance is 2, it will become 22. 7 3s are 21, balance is 1, it will become 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so again it is odd number. So let me proceed with the number 2. 3 2s are 6. Here again 3 2s are 6, balance is 1, it will become 15. 5 3s are 15. So again it is odd number which is not divided by 2. Let me divide by 3. 7 3s are 21, balance is 1, it will become 15. 7 3 5s are 15. So again it is odd number which is not divided by 2. Let me proceed with the number 3. 3 2s are 6, balance is 1, it will become 15. 5 3s are 15. So 25, it is odd number which is not divided by 3. So I have to proceed with the number 5. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 is the prime number which is divided by 5 only. So 5 1s are 5. So 2025 I can write as the multiplication of these numbers. That is 3 into 3, again 3 into 3, again it is 5 into 5. So I need to find out x, which is nothing but square root of 2025. In order to find out the square root, from each pair I have to write only one number. So from this pair it is 3, from this pair it is 3, from this pair it is 5. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So the square root of 2025 is 45. So therefore, what is the question? Find the number of rows, number of plants in each row. Okay, so therefore the number of rows which is equal to number of plants in each row, it is 45. equal to 45. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.